Okay, so this is how to zoom in on an infographic, for example, using the animations. So I've just added this infographic and it's difficult to see. So rather than using the default zoom in, I'm going to specify where Prezi will zoom in. So just click the plus here. Make sure you've got animations open. And what we're going to do is add the zoom area here. Now you can't you can only resize from the corners, so it's all in perspective on ratio. So once you've designated the area you want to zoom into, I'm going to double click on it just to see what that looks like. And then I want to zoom in again just to focus the attention on these pieces of text and images. So add another zoom area here. Now you can do it individually, but I'm going to go for these three. Like so. And double click to see what that looks like. Perfect. So after they've zoomed in twice, I want to zoom out to the topic. And then I'm going to repeat those 3 steps for the bottom half of the infographic. So that's just looking at using the zoom in and out feature in Prezi.